Fight!
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I am so happy that I am back after my YouTube channel was hacked 3 weeks ago, and now I am so happy that my YouTube channel was fully recovered. And I am so thankful for the YouTube team, for the Google team, that they helped me to recover my YouTube channel and my email. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate your support and your help. And to all of my friends and to all the people who are watching my video always, every time, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support and love that you've given to me this past few weeks. Thank you so much. And because of that, I have a good news for you. So there's a website called SlickComments.com, and in this website you can join dance contest and a chance to win a $100 US. Okay, so here's the thing guys. So I am holding a weekly dance challenge. I started last week, and this is the second week of the dance challenge. I will upload this video in SlickComments.com, and this will be our second dance challenge for this week. Okay, so here's the instructions. Make a video using the dance challenge that I'm going to teach today. Upload this video in YouTube Shorts. Copy the link. Go to SlickComments.com and paste the copied link in the reply box down my video. It's easy, right? Don't forget to put the handwritten "I love Kelvin" for the authenticity of your video. Okay, so the video with the most likes will be the winner every week. So what are you waiting for? Join now so you can have a chance to win the cash prize. And for more information, you can check out the description box down my video. Okay, so for today's tutorial is the Booty Music Dance Challenge. Now let's start. Okay guys, so remember, this is my right and this is my left. Okay guys, so the first 8 count is like this. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's break this down. So the first thing that you need to do is to ball change. So I will start going to my left side. 1, clap, 2. Next, I'm going to the right side. 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is the doggy. So we will start going to the left side first. 1, next, 2, next, roll, 3, and then put it here on your head. Okay, now let's say one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Roll, 7, 8. Now let's say one more time. Let's take it a little bit faster. Are you ready? So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try this in a slow music.
When the beat go like that, boom, boom, girl, I wanna put you up in my room.
Okay, now let's move on to the second 8 count. So after this, now we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's break this down. So this is easy. So we just go to the right side, snap. Again, 1, 2. Next, 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, put your hands up. 5, 6, 7, and then clap. Again, so we will do it 3 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Now let's take it from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap. Okay, now let's take it a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try this in the slow music.
When the beat go like that, boom, boom. Girl, I wanna put you up in my room. I wanna put you up against that wall. Girl, you wanna play to take your clothes off.
Okay guys, so now let's move on to our third part, and this will be our last step for this challenge, okay? So after this, now we will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 1, snap. 2, snap. 3, snap, and close. Okay, now let's break this down. So the first step that we need to do, from here, I will just put up my hand. So we will start from my right hand. 1, next 2, and then double, double. 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, double, double. Same as the other side. 5, 6, double, double. Easy, right? Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after this, I will step back my left foot. 1, 2. Next, move forward. 3, 4. Again, 5, 6. And then from here, I will put back my left foot. 7, 8. Okay, so that will be our dance challenge. Now, let's take it from the top. Ready? Let's take it slowly. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 5, 6. Roll. 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 1, snap. 2, snap. Last 3, and close. Now let's try a little bit faster. Are you ready? So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step back. 1, snap. 2, ha, snap, and close step. Okay, now let's try this in a slow music, and then after that, we will do the normal speed. Are you ready? Let's go!
When the beat go like that, boom, boom. Girl, I wanna put you up in my room. I wanna put you up against that wall. Girl, you wanna play to take your clothes off. Everybody don't like it slow. Consider me one of them folk. Let's get to it, to it, to it, to it, to it.
When the beat go like that, boom, boom. Girl, I wanna put you up in my room. I wanna put you up against that wall. Girl, you wanna play to take your clothes off. Everybody don't like it slow. Consider me one of them folk. Let's get to it, to it, to it.
Okay guys, so that's it for our dance tutorial. Now it's your time to make this dance challenge and post this into slickscomments.com. So good luck and peace out!